What if I told you that a professional looking AI project that used to take an entire team can now be created by a single person? Today, I'm going to show you how to combine 5 powerful AI tools: ChatGPT, Canva Magic Studio, Luma Dream Machine, 11 Labs, and CapCut Pro to build stunning cinematic projects faster than ever before. Whether you're a content creator, freelancer, or entrepreneur, this workflow can completely transform the way you create. Let's start with ChatGPT. Every great project begins with a strong idea and a clear plan. ChatGPT helps generate project ideas, scripts, content outlines, and even detailed shot lists within minutes. Instead of spending hours brainstorming, you can create a solid foundation almost instantly. Next comes Canva Magic Studio. Once your script is ready, Canva helps turn your ideas into professional visuals. You can generate graphics, thumbnails, presentations, and branded content without needing advanced design skills. It's one of the fastest ways to make your project look polished and professional. Now it's time to take things to the next level with Luma Dream Machine. Luma can transform simple text prompts into cinematic AI generated videos. Whether you need futuristic environments, product showcases, or dramatic scenes, Luma helps create visuals that would normally require expensive equipment and a large production team. After the visuals are ready, we need a professional voiceover. That's where 11 Labs comes in. 11 Labs generates highly realistic AI voices that sound natural and engaging. Simply paste your script, select a voice, and create studio quality narration in just a few minutes. Finally, we bring everything together inside CapCut Pro. Import your AI generated videos, graphics, and voiceover. Then add transitions, captions, sound effects, and background music. This is where all the individual pieces become a complete professional project. But here's the secret sauce. The real power isn't in any single AI tool, it's in combining them into one seamless workflow. ChatGPT creates a strategy and script. Canva builds the visual assets. Luma Dream Machine generates cinematic footage. 11 Labs provides professional narration. And CapCut Pro transforms everything into a polished final product. When these tools work together, a single creator can produce content that looks like it was made by an entire creative agency. That's why AI is becoming one of the biggest advantages for creators in 2026. If you enjoyed this video and want more AI tools, workflows, and tech content, make sure to subscribe to Neuronix Media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.